Hey guys, today we're making a yogurt lemon cake. In a bowl, add your yogurt, followed by your sugar, eggs, oil, lemon zest, and vanilla, and mix it well. Then sift in your baking powder, salt, and flour, and mix till incorporated. Transfer the batter into your greased baking pan. Bake this at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, turn it out onto a wire rack and allow it to cool. While it cools, you can make the glaze by adding your sugar and lemon juice to a pot on high heat and allowing it to boil just till all the sugar crystals have disappeared. Spoon that mixture onto your cake and allow the cake to cool completely. Once it's cooled, it's ready to be served. Enjoy!